what have I told you? You could get an RF mounted,
Yes, please.
mirrorless camera from Canon
Yes,
with
please.
an APS-C side sensor
Sounds good so far.
for £600 new. The news is, and this has come from a pretty reliable source close to Canon, let's just say, that they are gearing up and have appetite for releasing a super budget RF mounted camera with an APS-C size sensor in their EOS R range. And likelihood is...
With video.
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
yes,
so I'm still excited. I'm very
it's
much
still for
excited.
you. And the likelihood is it's going to cost $800, and they've even converted it properly,
Right.
around £600.
Won't have a battery?
It won't have a battery.
Will it have a battery
Or in the
it?
box.
I'm just, where are they cutting the cost? Will it have a kit lens? Will it have a battery?
I don't know anything about where they're cutting corners. Probably,
Is there an instruction manual? Do I have to go to one of those websites to get the instruction
possibly,
manual?
yeah.
I don't read it anyway.
No one reads it.
No.
Every camera we've ever had is still pristine in the box, the instruction manual, that is.
Just in case.
Yeah. So yes, an $800 or £600 budget RF mounted camera is likely to come. We can't say for definite because obviously Canon haven't said so, and they don't reply to me ever.
But they do release stuff at a faster rate than Nikon.
That is true, as we'll touch upon later on.
So it could be coming soon.
Could be coming soon. Likelihood is that it'll be the start of 2022 that we'll see that, because there is a bit of a roadmap happening with Canon, and we're seeing some other cameras lined up before that.
Yeah.
R3 being one of them that's going to drop any moment.
So this one will be, did you say it was 4K?
Yeah, it'll be absolutely, it'll be right in line with all the rest of the current EOS R cameras.
Isn't that crazy as well? Like, we're talking about budget cameras at 4K.
Yeah.
When 4K was the thing that you had to go. You think a few years back we were going, right, well, all of our gear is HD. And that was great.
Yep.
But what's coming next? Well, we really should be looking at like 4K.
Yeah.
And now you think you got 6 and 8, and that's quite normal.
Yeah.
But the big investment then was to go across to 4K. And yet now that's budget.
It's budget. And you're talking like within a relative budget of, let's say, that £1,000 to £1,500 price point for a camera is not a lot of money. It's a lot of money in the real world, I know. But for that money, you're getting 10-bit 420 or 422 4K video. That's incredible when you compare it to how, what it was like when you were talking about with HD cameras. It's a massively welcome addition to the marketplace in general, having something super affordable for the entry level, really, but also for you, because you're a cheapskate.
Wow.
That's right, canned laughter in the room.
Everyone's a cheapskate. I love it. The fact that I can get 4K for 600 quid, that's pretty awesome. With a kit lens?
I don't know.
Maybe a kit lens. Let's just confirm.
Are you bartering with Canon now?
It's £600.
It's good, but I like lenses too.
From a retailer.
Yeah.
With a battery.
We don't know.
Probably an online instruction manual.
Yeah, a box.
A box and a kit lens.
And a charger.
You heard it here first. 4K.
Yes.
On a budget.